Today, I'm going to show you how to remove an eSIM from your iPhone, whether you're switching carriers or just want to delete an old plan. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and head to Settings app. You can find it on your home screen. Now scroll down and tap on Cellular. This is where you'll manage your cellular plans. Now, look for the eSIM plan you want to remove. You'll see it listed here under cellular plans, and tap on the plan that you wish to delete. Scroll down and tap on remove cellular plan. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap remove to confirm, and just like that your eSIM is removed from your iPhone. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.